Welcome. In this video, we'll create a JavaScript function that takes a string and returns its letters in alphabetical order. We'll use three core string and array methods: split, sort, and join. This is a great exercise in string manipulation and understanding method chaining. Let's dive in and see how simple it can be. We want to rearrange the letters in a string so that they appear in alphabetical order. Given an input like webmaster, we return ABEEMRSTW with no punctuation or numbers. Just focus on letters. Let's look at how to do this in a clean one-liner. Here's our entire function. First, we split the string into individual characters. Then we sort those characters alphabetically. Finally, we join them back together in a single sorted string. Let's break each method down in detail next. First, turn the string into an array of letters using split. Next, we sort the array alphabetically using the built-in sort method. Lastly, we join the letters back into a string using join. Together, these methods let us do the whole task in a simple expression. Here's how it works for a few examples. We start by splitting the string into individual characters. Sorting arranges them alphabetically and joining forms the final result. You can see how easily this approach generalizes into any word. This method is useful in games, validation, or data normalization. It's commonly used when checking for anagrams or detecting duplicates. You might even see it in password comparison tools. Let's wrap things up with a quick summary. We built a concise, powerful function using just three array methods. This is a great way to introduce beginners to string processing. It is readable, extendable, and works in one clean line. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.